Hey everyone, if you want to customize Discord like a pro using advanced settings in 2026, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you step by step how to use Discord advanced settings. First, open Discord and click the settings icon. This is where all advanced options and controls are located. Next, scroll down and enable developer mode. This allows you to copy IDs for users, messages, and servers. Now check hardware acceleration. You can turn it on for better performance or turn it off if Discord is lagging. Go to voice settings and adjust options like noise suppression, echo cancellation, and automatic gain control. This improves your audio quality. Manage your activity status settings. You can choose whether others see what you are doing or playing. Adjust privacy and safety settings. I mean, this helps control who can message you or send friend requests. Finally, if something is not working, clear cache or reset settings. This fixes most common Discord issues. So yeah, that's how you use Discord advanced settings in 2026. Follow each step carefully, and you can fully optimize your Discord experience. And if this helped, don't forget to check out more Discord tutorials for fast and easy guides.